it has to be discussed. That is not your money, that is public money. What is the risk profile? How much is the forecast revenue and for what? And what are the financial institutions where this is lodged? And I would like them to explain to us because kinakaltasan lahat kami, tayo, ng PhilHealth. Kayo ang may hawak. Habang namamatay ang mga tao, humihingi ng guarantee letter ang habang proseso. While you are floating in billions, hundreds of billions of cash. So, definition of terms, ano po yung risk profile, at sinong may hawak ng pera ng taong bayan na nakalaan sa PhilHealth. Simple lang po maaring sa Filipino tayo magsalita para maintindihan dahil gusto rin namin malaman. Salamat po.
Mr.